In my Azure DevTest Lab, I've been using artifacts a lot recently, but tonight I've run into a bit of an issue with one of them on my bad artifact virtual machine. So we can see here on my lab dashboard, that particular VM has a status of running, but if I click into it, and then head into Manage Artifacts, I can see that of the 4 artifacts that have been applied to this virtual machine, one of them's failed, that being the Add User to Administrators Group artifact. So if I drill into that one, I can see a deployment message there that's not exactly user-friendly to read, but it ends by telling me to see the artifact results for details. So in order to drill in a little bit further and find out exactly why this artifact failed, let's head back to my virtual machine, and I'll switch back over to its overview, and let's go ahead and connect to it. So this will open up an RDP session, as it's a Windows VM, and we'll connect to it like we normally would, authenticating, and accepting the certificate. Alright, once we're all connected, fire up Windows Explorer, and head to your C drive. Here you'll find a packages directory, and if we start drilling down into that through plugins, then this custom script extension directory, whatever the version number is, and then into status, we'll see a number of status files here, one for each artifact that we've installed on the machine. So the one in question that we're interested in was the 4th one on the list, so it'll be this last status file. So let's go ahead and open it. And the formatting of this isn't that much more user-friendly, however it is more complete. So if we scroll along to the right, and I can see here that the message that was returned from the artifact was actually attempting to add fake user to the administrators group. So I have a hunch that fake user might not actually exist, and I should probably update the artifact to actually target a real user and attempt to reapply this particular artifact. So that was a look at how you can troubleshoot a failed artifact deployment on an Azure VM. Thanks for watching.